Morning children. Today we will start with standard 3 mathematics lesson 6 money chapter video 2. Today we will start with the topic conversion of money. The first conversion we will see of rupees into paisa. As we know, rupees 1 is equal to 100 paisa. Okay. So if we take, for example, if we take rupees 27, so in order to make it into paisa, what we have to do? We have to write rupees 1 is equal to 100 paisa. So rupees 27 will be how much? We have to multiply this 100 with the given rupees. So we have to multiply 27 into 100. So we will multiply it 27 into 100. It will be 27 into 1 27 and 2 zeros are added here. So we will put 2 zeros. Now it has converted into paise. So we got 2700 paise. Okay. Now the second conversion we will learn about conversion of, next we will see conversion of rupees and paisa into paisa. Okay. So suppose we will take a question like, if we are taking as rupees 17 and 55 paise and we have to convert it into paise. So what we have to do? We have to write rupees 1 is equal to 100 paisa. Then rupees 17 is equal to 17 into 100 and then we will add the paisa given here, that is 55 paise. So it will be how much? 17 into 100, it will be 1700 paise plus 55 paise. Here you have to do 17 into 1 17 and 2 zeros you have to add here. Now you have to add 1700 plus 55. So you can add here 1700 plus 55. So it will come as your, this is 5, 0 plus 5, 5, this is 7, 1. So you got the answer as 1755 paise. Okay. Then the third conversion is conversion of paise into rupees. Let us take one question. Suppose we are taking 485 paise. We have to change it into rupees. So what we have to do? As we know, rupees 1 is equal to 100 paise. So when we will write for paise, it will be 1 paise is equal to 1 by 100 rupee. So it will be 485 paise is equal to 485 divided by 100. Now you have to divide 485 by 100. In shortcut method you can write 2 zeros are there. So from the right hand side, last 2 digit you will take 5, 8, you will put a dot and then you will write 4. So it will come as your rupees 4.85 paise. And if you cannot do this, very simple, you can divide 485 by 100. This is also the way how you can do. So 100 fours are 400. So it will be cancelled, then 85. So now this will come for your rupees and this will come for your paise. So you can also write like this. If you cannot straight away do it by 100, you can divide and also show the answer. So let us start with exercise 6C. Here the first question is given, convert the following into paisa. So the first question is given rupees 70. So how you will convert it? You will first write rupees 1 is equal to 100 paisa. So rupees 70 will be how much? 70 into 100. So what you have to do? 70 into 1, you will write 70 and you will add 2 more zeros for paise. So it will be 7000 paise. Okay. Then we will go for the next question. Here rupees and paise both are given. So first we have to write rupees 1 is equal to 100 paisa. So rupees 9 and 48 paisa is given. So it will be rupees 9 into 100 plus this paisa we have to add here 48. So it will be 9 into 100, it will be 900 paisa plus 48 paise. So we have to add here, you have to write here 900 plus 48. So it will be 0 plus 8, 8, 0 plus 4, 4 and here 9. So the answer will be 948 paise. Okay. Next come to question number B, convert into paise. Now rupees is given and you have to convert it into paise. So what we have to do? Here it is different from here because here the dot is used. So this also same way we have to do. Rupees 1 is equal to 100 paise. So here we will write rupees 12.96. So you will multiply 12.96 into 100. So what we have to write? You have to multiply this with 1. So you will write here 1296, and here you have to add 2 zeros. Now see, the point is given before 2 digit from the right hand side. So from here also, from the right hand side, we will count 1, 2 and we will put the dot. So the answer will come as 1296 paise. So this will be your paise. The next question is given rupees 0.95. So this also we have to convert into paise. So we will write rupees 1 is equal to 100 paisa. Then rupees 0.95 is equal to 0.95 into 100. So here we will write 95 into 1, that will be 95, and 2 zeros. Now from the right hand side, before 2 digit it is given dot. So here also we will count 2 digit and we will put the dot. So the answer will be 95 paise. Clear? Next, question number C, convert into rupees. So now paisa is given, you have to convert into rupees. So we'll start with 1 paise is equal to 1 by 100 rupee. So 75 paise is equal to 75 divided by 100. So what we have to do? Last 2 digits zeros are there. So we will write it here from 5, 7. Then we have to put the dot, and then we will put here 0, because if only paisa is given, to show the rupees we have to put the 0. Okay. Now next number it is given 6,500 paise. So we will write 1 paise is equal to 1 by 100 rupee. So 6,500 paise is equal to 6500 divided by 100. So what we have to do? From the last 2 zeros are there. So from the last 2 digit it will come for paise. So in order to differentiate between rupees and paise, we have to put the dot. Then we have to write here 5, 6. So it will be rupees. Now it will come as your rupees 65. Hope you have understood up to this much. Now next, question number D, fill in the blanks. It is given 8 rupees and 15 paisa is equal to dash paisa. Children, we have to convert this also. So first we will write what is given in the question. So we will write it in the figure. Rupees 8, we will put dot, then we will write for paise. So it is given rupees 8 dot 15 paise. So now we will convert it into paise. So we will write here rupees 1 is equal to 100 paise. So rupees 8.15 is equal to 8.15 into 100. So it will be 815, because 8.15 is multiplied with 1. Same number will come. Then we will add 2 zeros to make it paise. Now from the right hand side, before 2 digit there is one dot. So here also we will see before 2 digit we have to put the dot. Then we will write it as 815 paise.